Hello everyone, myself Mayur Daun, PE teacher from City School, Mosi. Today we are learning jumping exercise. जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज से हमारी स्टमक की एंड हमारे लेग्स की एक्सप्लोजिव एंड प्लायोमेट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती है. इससे हमारे लेग्स स्ट्रांग होते हैं एंड हमें जंपिंग करने के लिए इजी होता है. इसके साथ ही इस जंपिंग का बेनिफिट हमें अलग अलग गेम में खेलने के लिए होता है. इसलिए हम आज जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज सीख रहे हैं. जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम फर्स्ट जनरल वार्म अप करेंगे. आफ्टर जनरल वार्म अप देन वी विल स्टार्ट जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज. सो लेट्स वी विल स्टार्ट फॉर जनरल वार्म अप. ओके, आज हम जनरल वार्म अप थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे. ओके, वी आर कीपिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लेग, हैंड्स इन वेस्ट. ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट फर्स्ट नेक रोटेशन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. बैक साइड सर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, we will start first hand rotation forward side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we are keeping hands on your waist. We are starting hip rotation forward side. Hip side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, we are pushing our back forward. Hold wave. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, leg close. Leg close. Okay, stretch your both hands outside. Go up, then slowly go down. Touch your toes. Hold here. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, after then we will do alternate toe touch. We are keeping distance between the leg. Okay, legs wide, knees straight. Okay, slowly bend down, forward, hands wide. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Relax. Okay, after that we will do 4 counts. Okay, look at me. 1 2 3 and 4. Ready? Start with me. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Last time. 1 2 3 4. Okay. After then we will do first ankle rotation. Okay, right leg forward, inside rotation. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Concentration on your toes. Reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Leg change. Left leg. Start. Inside rotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then again right leg up and down side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Leg change. Left leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, अभी हमारा जनरल वार्म अप हुआ है. उसके बाद वी विल मूव ऑन जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल थिंक अबाउट काउंटिंग. जो इजी जंपिंग है इसमें करने के लिए हमें थोड़ा एनर्जी थोड़ी कम लगने वाली. जो आसान है उसके लिए टोटल हम 20 जंप्स करने वाले हैं. देन जो थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है तो इसमें थोड़ी एनर्जी थोड़ी ज़्यादा लगने वाली है. या फिर जो टायर्ड होने वाली एक्सरसाइज है उसके हम टोटल 10 काउंट्स करने वाले हैं. ओके, देन वी विल मूव ऑन जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट इज स्किपिंग. ओके, टोटल 20 काउंट्स. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After that, we will start one leg hopping. Ready? Total 10 counts. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. After then, our second exercise is jumping jack. I will show first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? Relax. Our third exercise is high knee. Okay? I will show first. In front. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Then our fourth exercise is bird kick. Okay, I will show first. We are locking our hands back, here, back straight. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Now our fifth exercise is star jump. Okay, I will show first. We will keep distance between the leg. We will bend down here, squat position, and look front. Ready? That's called star jump. Ready? We will start now. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now here we are taking only 20 seconds water break. Okay. First of all, your time is start. First of all, sit down. Then take a little bit water. Okay. Around 2 sip. Okay. Yeah, half glass. Drink water and clean your face. Okay. Sweating is there. Then clean your face. This is a little bit vigorous exercise. That's why we are tired. Our energy is lost. The next exercise also like that. Okay. Run. Your time is over. Okay. Come back fast. Ready? Our next 6 exercise name is jump and squat. Okay. Come back. Ready? I will show first. Listen between this leg. Ready? That's squat. Jump and squat. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Children, our 7 exercise name is jump and turn half. Okay? The second name is jump and 180 degree turn. Okay? I will show first. Look at me. That's called jump and half turn. Ready? Start with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Relax. Our last exercise name is in and out, knee up, jump. Okay? I will show first, then I will explain how to jump. Ready? Ready? Okay. यहाँ पे हमें एक लेग के ऊपर स्किपिंग करना है. Okay? Then hand front, see. Ready? So start skipping. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Then we will leg change. Okay? Start skipping. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? चिल्ड्रन आज हमने टोटल 8 टाइप्स के जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज किए हैं. उसके बाद अभी हम कूलिंग डाउन करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सिट डाउन ऑन फ्लोर. ओके, here we'll keep on legs wide, hands back, start shaking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we'll take leg together, hands wide, slowly we'll take up. Here we'll go forward and we are holding our toes. You count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Slowly come up, hands wide and down. Okay, little bit legs wide. Now here we are pushing our toes forward. Push forward and hold 1 2 3 4 legs. Now we are pulling our both toes together upward to your side. Hold 1 2 3 4 legs. Okay, taking legs wide, we are touching toes inside, trying. Hold 1 2 3 4 outside. Hold 1 2 3 4, relax. Okay, we are again taking leg together. Okay, then here we are taking our right leg little back towards your thigh. Okay, and both hands up, switch, going forward, holding 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Slowly come back. We are doing same exercise but leg change. Take your right leg forward, left leg back near to your thigh, both hands outside, go up and go forward. Hold here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Slowly come up. Take your other leg front. Now here we are taking our both legs together close. Okay, now here we are doing butterfly. Ready? Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Now take your both legs together front. Ready? Take wide again. Now here, take both hands together up. Go to your right side and hold your right toes. Hold it 1 2 3 4. Slowly come up. Side change. Go to your left side. Hold here 1 2 3 4. Coming up. Now here, both hands we are going forward. Knees straight. Hold you 1 2 3 4. Slowly come up. Taking hands wide and we are holding out both toes. Hold here 1 2 3 4. Relax. Take again leg close. Okay, right leg bend, then left leg bend. Hold here and push forward. Hold 1 2 3 4. Come close. Okay, take your right leg on your left leg. Hold here. Go down 1 2 3 4. Now take, come close. Touch your chest. 1 2 3 4. Leg change. Left leg on your right thigh. First push forward. Hold 1 2 3 4. Now take close. Chest touch. 1 2 3 4. Relax. ओके, आई होप आप सब ने ये जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज का सेशन एंजॉय किया होगा. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.